What's up, guys? It's your boy XXQ35 Travis here, and this is a video. Today we are making our own play button, and I got this from my friend Ethan. So go subscribe to his channel, and yeah, let's get right into it. In 3, 2, 1. Let me go get the materials. Okay, guys. So I got y'all set up to where y'all can see everything. Let's get the paper up a little. You want to look at the camera real quick? Yeah, that's okay. Now we're going to draw the play button. So let me get this material of the play button set out. So this would be like a YouTube sign. Okay, so that's what the top of it's going to look like. The side. Tomorrow, well, probably the next day I'm going to do a giveaway, probably next week. I mean, not a giveaway, but an unboxing video. It's going to be unboxing my PS Vita. See, here you can see my hand as well. I don't know if that's coming up. Can y'all see this? Yeah, y'all can see that. See, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do this now. I'm drawing with my left hand. I'm a left-handed kid. Let me do this. Sorry if the camera's moving. And let me move it over here so I can do it real quick. And I'll move it back. And so y'all can see it. It's probably gonna turn out really bad. But if mine's bad, go to check out Ethan's. His might be better. Okay. This is what it's looking like so far. Can y'all see this? Hold on. Oh, it's gotta go up. There it is. There it is so far. Okay. Hold on. There we go. I think that works. Go up. That's way better, guys. Okay, so let me draw the top of it. Oh, I think I messed up. Yeah, guys, I messed up. It's supposed to be lower. And if you can't tell, guys, I'm an artist. I like to draw. Me and Halo Man are going to make a book channel. Or if we can't make a channel, then we are going to be doing some book videos. So if you want to check that out, it might be in the description when I make those videos. Looks like the Dorito sign. Then I'm going to put subscribe. Oh, Ethan gave... no, I mean, not Ethan. Yeah, definitely not Ethan. His name is not Ethan. It's HaloMan546. He gave me this limited edition pin for everybody. Well, he gave it to me from Home Helpers. It's actually a really good pin. Hold on, let me get it in the... Yeah, there it is. So it's Home Helpers. It's actually a really good pin. And I got pins I can erase. I only got yellow and purple. If you want, you can send me some birthday presents. And if you don't, it's okay. Sorry if I'm being too quiet. I just can't focus without being quiet. I think my brother's gonna bust in here. Oh no! I put a C. Dang it! I'm just gonna try to change that into a B. Okay, there we go. Almost done, guys. Subscribe. Hit that. Well, actually, you gotta hit that notification button if you want to be subscribed. Okay, subscribe. That's all I need you to do. Hit that subscribe button. And then comment down below, and I will write your name on these lines. Okay, so 4 people, whoever comment down below their name is going to get a shout out. So I'll be right back, guys, to go talk to my brother, and I'll be... Okay, guys, I'm back. My brother just wanted to know when I'm coming out. So I gotta make this video quick. There's all some words. You're gonna put your name, like the most comments I've seen. So one is my friend Ethan, Halo Man 546. Okay. And then the second one I seen Cynthia Hampton. I'm sorry if I don't spell your name right. And then one more person is Aunt Travis. And okay, that is my masterpiece. I'm gonna make more of these. Put your name on. Okay, all those people can comment down below, and I will tell them. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.